Nanobabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo sa Eldora Hills sa may Mabalacat City, Pampanga. And take a look at my background. Today's going to be an activity day, guys. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga amenities nila. They call it Archery. And of course, obviously based from sa mga ginagawa ng mga staff natin ngayon. They are demonstrating it, how it's being done. So isa sa mga gagawin natin ngayon, susubukan natin, of course.
Kapos!
First time. Wow, so after how many rounds, what can you say about the experience, bro?
So, archery pala hindi rin pala ganun kadali. So parang feeling natin pana-pana lang. Pero ang hirap din pala.
Actually, like any other sports, for me, no, it takes practice din.
Yes.
So, may feeling na masaya, may feeling na masasaktan. Katulad dito. Ayan, so, masasaktan ka talaga, and right after that, you're gonna learn. But at the end of the day, it's enjoying.
Actually, nakakatawa. Iba yung experience.
Alright, so let's go to the next one.
Airgun.
Airgun, let's go.
Ka-load mo, lock mo siyang ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos
Nice! Isang activity na pwede rin yung gawin dito is yung air gun. So for 350 pesos, you have 10 bullets. Take your time and enjoy it. Para sa akin ganun. So sa mga first time, it's gonna be super enjoyable. So yeah, samahan nyo kami. First time ever. Where are you?
Oh!
Hoy!
Nice!
So yun nga guys, papansin nyo, so meron tayo ditong mga kubo. So these are actually fit for dining. So you can choose from here for a large group. Hello po! Ma'am Angelica, shout out po sa inyo. So yun nga guys, so meron tayo ditong parang pinaka-function hall and fit for large group. Since kami, maliit lang kami, family, we're gonna be staying here. Alright, so this is our lunch. We would like to thank Eldora Hills for our lunch today. So guys, if you're looking for Korean dishes naman dito sa sa lugar na to,
Available din sila.
they are serving it. Kain na tayo. Alright, so nandito naman tayo sa kanilang go-kart for 10 minutes. Unlimited laps naman yun. So, if you're gonna drive fast, syempre mas marami yung laps mo doon. Example like this one. So, mga pro na ata sila, oh. Fun! Fun!
So, isang amenities naman dito sa Eldora Hill itong kanilang zipline. So, susubukan natin yung kanilang zipline. So, yung zipline nila is 260 meters. So, dulo to dulo siya. So, yun. Subukan na natin. Woo! Yeah!
Excited, alright. Excited. Bang klaseng excited mo? Hi Luis! Hello! How are you? You ready? Thumbs up. Nice. So this is the half of the trail, no? Dito daw nagpapahinga yung mga turista, yung mga nag-ATV kapag nangangawit yung kamay nila. So iconic itong acacia tree na to. Alright, so we have arrived. Isa sa mga pit stop dito sa ATV natin. Actually, one of the best or highlight that you will have sa ATV trail na. So, may mga maalikabok, may mga malilim, pero it's fun, it's great. It's a great experience for me, no? And then, tingnan naman yung background ko. This is what you will have. Ayan, this is what you will have. Ayan. So, yun, if you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including all the details, or the contact you need to call para po mag-book kayo for an ATV trail experience, or even the entire, kung gusto nyong gawin lahat yung mga amenities and activities, we're gonna be including the contact information you need to call. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.